Hey everyone, it's Kiwi and I am beyond excited to introduce to you another skincare game changer for the morning. It's our Brightening Vitamin C Serum. This serum delivers a powerful single dose of vitamin C to brighten, firm, and protect your skin from premature aging. If you're dealing with dullness, fine lines, sun damage, environmental damage, this is your solution. I have been using this every morning after cleansing and before I put on my other skincare products, and the results are incredible. Because what sets this serum apart is the superior form of vitamin C we use. I'm going to botch this name, but it's Bisabolol tetrapalminite, ATP. Unlike absorbic acids found in other products, ATP stays in your skin cells 40 to 80 times longer, which provides stability, reduces irritation, improves hyperpigmentation, elasticity, texture, and wrinkles. Each vegan biodegradable capsule ensures that while you're caring for your skin, you're also caring for the environment because it breaks down naturally. So some key benefits. The first is collagen production. This capsule enhances your skin elasticity and reduces wrinkles. It also brightens your skin tone, radiance, and it reduces dark spots. It has antioxidant protection that shields against environmental damage and repairs UV sun damage. So if you were a sun goddess, you want this because it also protects against future damage. It is anti-inflammatory, reduces redness and irritation while shrinking your skin's pores. Hydration, it keeps skin moisturized and plump. It decreases hyperpigmentation. Hops extract helps decrease age and stress spots, while Bisabolol helps lighten dark spots and even out your skin tone. It even speeds up the healing process and reduces scars. The ingredients, vitamin C, that ATP I told you, improves skin firmness, radiance, and overall tone while reducing fine lines, wrinkles, and UV damage. The Ceramides plump fine lines and wrinkles by moisturizing the skin and supporting the skin barrier. Vitamin E and Nordic raspberry seed oil prevent accelerated aging and protects against free radical damage. Bisabolol lightens dark spots and evens out skin tone. Hop extract decreases hyperpigmentation caused by age and stress. So if you want to brighten, firm, protect your skin with an effective, environmentally friendly product with the best ingredients, the Brightening Vitamin C Serum is your new best friend for morning time. Thanks everybody. Have a great day.